And we're back Monday morning, back in the office. Last week was cut the video a bit short because we were at the event. You're going to see a lot more of Adam and the boys over there. This week's fully packed. We've got a lot going on this week. We've got a lot of meetings back to back, a lot of Zoom calls. We're going out and about. We're going to take you to a few viewings. Gav's going to see one of our Airbnbs tomorrow. We've got someone checking in there. We're spinning a lot of plates at the moment. We're moving in the right direction, so we'll keep you updated as and when. But for now, let's get into it! If you can just introduce yourself, give us a 30-second rundown of what you guys do.
Sam, I work for Midas. We actually an auction brokerage firm and sell properties at auction, and we acquire properties on the behalf of clients. And one of the clients that we work with is Concept Care, a care provider. We source a couple of properties that they use for providing care, but social services or the council, they're not paying high enough, or they don't want to pay if the accommodation is not being run by a care provider or a social care accommodation provider. So what we're looking for is to look for a housing association that can take over the property.
Wake up! I'm just on the way to Wellingon City to do a viewing on one of our essays. The request came through open rent for a couple months. It's a small family that are buying a house just before the tax changes. So they have just sold their old house and now they're in the middle phase where they need short-term accommodation for a couple months until they complete. So I'm just doing a viewing. A lot of you guys might know this. I actually prefer doing the viewing, so I know who's in the property at all times. Because as much as Airbnb and Bookings.com are a big platform and they're reliable, they've got a reputation, no one actually knows who's going in. All you get is their name. You might be able to request some ID, but the people that come through the doors, some people are very questionable. So I prefer doing the viewings. I get to meet the guy in person, ask the questions I want to ask, make sure he's legit, make sure he'll pay up front, show him around the property. It also reduces the amount of phone calls I get when he's staying on how do you do this or where's this, because I can go over all the frequently asked questions from the last 2 years of running it. I know what people are going to ask. For example, this one's a really nice 2-bedroom flat with underfloor heating. There's no radiators, but each floor has each room has got a separate thermostat. So most people say, oh, how do I turn the heating on in the bedroom or in the kitchen? So I'm just going to show them all the different things that come up throughout people's stays, just to reduce the amount of contact that that we have during his stay. Not that it's a problem, but you guys obviously know this. Ideally, you just want someone to move in, not hassle you, get paid, and they check out. So I am about 10 minutes away. I'll show you around the flat. You may have seen it on our Instagram anyway, but I'll show you around, and then make sure you stay tuned to see whether he does pay and he does end up staying. And whilst you're there, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you share it around. See you soon. Lovely place, Welling. Just walking to the flat now. So I am now in Wellingon City. This is a nice 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom flat. I'll quickly show you around. To be fair, it's one of the nicest ones in our portfolio. It used to be a Debenhams, and it's now been converted into a 2-bedroom flat, fully furnished. We obviously pay all the bills, so guests just need to move in. It's a big first room, bathroom, again, nice finish, all the little decorative stuff. We make sure that we have shampoo, shower gels, hand soaps and everything that the guests will need. Going into second bedroom. lovely views. It's perfect, to be fair, if it wasn't in Garden City, because it's quite far away from my office. Not quite far, maybe half an hour drive. I'd probably stay there myself. It's nice. And then you've got an open plan kitchen, diner, lounge, massive windows. Staging on this was good. Nice big kitchen. It's got a washing machine and a dishwasher, fridge, freezer, and then just there is the train station, and just behind this building here, you can probably see it in the background there, that is the main shopping centre. So it's very good. It's a nice apartment. We do tend to get a lot of business professionals coming. It's right next to Tesco headquarter, so we get a lot of people working in the F&F clothing brand, Tesco's clothing. They come over from Bangladesh, they stay here for a couple of months whilst they're working on a new range. They enjoy it. We've got contracts with National Rail, so when they're working on the train tracks they stay here. But yeah, these guys have just bought a new house. Both the sellers and the buyer solicitors were in the same office, so there was a conflict of interest. They had to go back to square one. Stamp duty is due to increase in about 5-6 weeks for first time buyers. Well, decrease. The threshold will decrease, meaning the tax will increase. So they want to push it through as fast as possible. So yeah, they probably would be looking to stay for about 2 months. Just a small family, perfect for them. But yeah, this is it. Lovely place. So I'm gonna head to the office now. Mitch should be there with our mortgage broker, so let me see if we can catch the end of that conversation. I'll introduce you to Mitesh. He does all of our finance, so if you are looking to purchase anything, sell anything, you need creative finance, drop us a DM, we'll introduce you to our broker, very good, and he will be able to help you with all your finances and lending. So cut to me back in the office. And we're back at the office. Morning, boys.
Morning, mate.
What happened?
Spunked on the table again.
Oh no. And that is a wrap. So make sure you stay tuned until Sunday, where the rest of the week will be out. But for now, we are finding properties. Offers just got accepted. We'll reveal what properties got accepted on Sunday's episode. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe. But until then,
Keep learning, keep investing, and we'll catch you in the next one.